Al Green on the island of Bermuda. We're just around the corner from Jones Smith Bay, and a hurricane is coming. And this is the sign of the hurricane. The time is a little bit after 6. And things are warming up. I will show you a picture of this on a clear day, and everything is settled down. But this is not safe right now. Woo! It's really, really powerful. And the wind is expected to be over 100 miles an hour, I understand. Whatever you're doing in the world, please be kind to someone. The slightest thing. We had a little bit of sad news today. The Queen of England has passed away. There will be a lot of changes according to what I have heard. We will have to change our national anthem because it was God Save the Queen. Now it's God Save the King or something of that nature. So things are going to change. Even our money is going to change. I'd like to shout out to Grace Bow, my good cousin. This is Al Green signing out in the island of Bermuda. The storm is coming. This is September 2022.